what's up? Today, new video. I'm hyped for that one. I'm not gonna lie. I've been looking for that as well. Like, I've been waiting for that, but I just like shoved it away the whole time because I really didn't want to do it because I was just too lazy. But I wanted to do it though because it's funny. But the problem is like I don't have motion on that shit. So what we're going to do today is hinge. We on hinge today, yes sir. But the problem is, I was like at the first, I was like really active for that shit now, so I could like show some, but unfortunately my likes went away. Some people got deleted off this app who I talked to. So yeah, I'm literally at like one like right now. I don't know. Wait, let me do that shit real quick. So I have to do it over Discord because I don't know how to use Let's View, so I just have to do it over Discord. So the call may has to go in. I'll just mute everything. So it's viewable yet. I won't show that shit. Wait. No. Okay. One like, as you see. Let's see my profile real quick. Uh, that was me on in my uni post that pic. That was crazy. My cat. My biceps. Me during my workout sessions. I think I have to. That wasn't in Cologne, bro. The crazy mosque where every like rapper goes to when they're in Germany because they want to form aura and all that. Ooh, we are so cool. Ooh. Um. Oh yeah. Bro, must have been the. Okay, I think I have to change that shit though because that's obviously like trolling. It's obviously trolling. So my biggest strength. Um. What's my biggest strength? Talking shit? Nah, it's not even that good. Outswagging you. Yeah. Yeah. Nah. That's too niche. If I'm being honest. What's my biggest strength? I really can't do shit. If I'm being honest, I'm really bad at everything. 100% honest right now. I am crazy for what I'm crazy for. What am I crazy? Um, Someone baking for me. Nah. I think we just leave it as it is right now. And if I'm being honest, I really just like search for Asians at first, so I really only have Asians on this shit. Um, so yeah, and I'm also set in LA. I don't know, but fuck it. Um, you, nah, fuck no. She's the alternative for me. I also love your Year, Yearness. What does that mean? I don't care. Skip. Emily. I relax to music. Nah, I'm not really feeling that one. I'm kind of picky if I'm being honest. Ivy 9. No. No. Bro, my elos went so down. It's crazy. So, nah. It's like, it's like shit. If I'm being honest. Like, look at me. I'm not ugly. Am I? My pictures are probably really ugly if I'm being honest. You win me over if you're a gentleman. Can I please? Can I please smash? Can I crack? Can I please crack? Yeah. You get the reference? Can I crack? Can I please crack? Oh, bro, it doesn't matter. Just send that bitch. Oh yeah. Oh, too young. Um, well, she's Japanese, I think. She's from, I'm a nerd. If it comes to dancing, I came to the US to improve my English and dance skills. My English has a long way to go. Mm, bro, but she's pretty. PlayStation may have limits, but I don't. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Nah, cat. Nah. Oh yeah, nah. She's a little overweight. I mean, there we go again. There's like only Asian girls again. Lisa, model. Bro, I'm a bitch if she like if she answers me, I'm a bitch. She will never answer me. Hogwarts House. Fuck, I did that once. I did that with my sister though. How's that Hog? Okay. Houses. Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and syphilis. No. Slytherin. Slytherin. And their traits. Okay. Hogwarts houses are defined. Damn. Houses are defined by specific core values and personal traits, focusing on bravery, intelligence, loyalty, and ambition. But I'm not like a picture though. You're Ravenclaw for sure. Yeah. You're either. As in German, you say is that good cheese? So if you go DM a hoe, a girl, sorry, if you DM girl and like try to riz her, it's like the German term of rizzing. No one used that shit anymore, but still, that's good cheese. You're either Ravenclaw, cause girls like to be caught intelligent. It's like logical. Raven Ravenclaw or Slytherin. Otherwise, yeah, we gonna embrace it. Is it better to embrace it or not? That's the reason I wanted. I should have done it on stream. Fuck it. Fuck it, it was your life. Um. Oh no! I didn't know y'all don't see shit. I mean, I couldn't see shit either. Stupid again. The fuck am I talking about? Mm, 3, 2, 1. Is he back on track? Is he back on track? Is he back on track? Okay. Otherwise, I would be. Um, I would be. What would I be? I forgot how it called. How it was called on English. No, I'm muted. Oh, fuck it. I think I wasn't that long muted though. Um. Oh yeah. You can compare to her. You can. No way. Okay. I think that's a bad turn we going right now. I don't want that. I know she smells. Oh, 27. Damn, auntie. When you sit on that bitch. I think she's money though. Oh fuck, pays for everything. Um, I mean, I'm 7 years younger, so I guess you have to pay for me. I mean, like that's obvious. I don't even have a job, and that shit don't pay. I have two subscribers. If you see that right now, subscribe me. I need them bands. But she's like, nah. I think her face is too big for her body. If you get what I mean. I mean, yeah, her face is too big. I don't like those. I don't like those. Kyla. No, Kyla. Fuck you, Kyla. Fuck you, Kyla. Fuck no. Fuck you, Kyla. Oh yeah. Put my car temp at 67. 67. Oh, I can't hear it anymore. Um. Oh, you win me over if you get off this app. What is that? I just screenshot that for later. But bro, you just see it from the goddamn monitors that she's a goddamn sweat. But I think she's cute. I think I have to cook something up right now. Mm. Should I put the tongue in my butthole? Is that good? Yeah, yeah, of course. I mean, who doesn't like butt buttholes? Like, stick your tongue in my butthole. After that, we can play TFT. Yeah. How was tongue, bro? How do you tongue in my and after that we some TFT FT. Bro, I never played that shit. Yeah, Rose. I don't care. I don't care. No, her face is way too big. Nope. Yeah. Nah. Ay ay ay. Ay ay ay. Just let me look real quick. What does that even mean, pansexual? I'm I'm 100% sure she smokes cigs. If she doesn't smoke cigs, I'm a bitch. I'm a real hoe. Oh wait, I think I wasted my shit. Like look at that one. Uh, what was that? I'm just putting some emojis here. Like do some shit, bitch. Like you're not that fine. Country songs non-stop. Yeah, she's whitewashed as fuck. I think I'll boost my account for that video though. Only for that video. I don't even have money. I don't even have money. I don't even have a fucking job, and I still do that shit. No, I don't want to. I don't want to, pretty. Wait. Um. Mm, I think if I'll do that, I will drop a video every single day. I mean, that's unlimited content, so you can. Ah, I think I'll leave it for now. But for the next time, I'll just see what y'all are gonna say. So I think I'll skip that one. I'm cool with that. Asian, but she's too alternative for me. Like she's spiritual. If you wanna follow my art, mushroom fairy. Fuck no, fuck no. LA, Arabic. Bro, you're not even Latin. You're Arab. Fuck you. Why do I get those people, man? Do I look like that? Do I like? She, nah. She may be like, bro. She's nearly as tall as me. I'm round about like, I think in feet I'm like 6 foot 6'1", something around about that. Depends on the day. Just say 6'1" up, because I think I'm 6'1", yeah. And she's what's 1 meter 77? Is it like, how much is that? Is that 5'10"? Um, I think we're gonna have to lowball. Easy things I'll do in my the pickle on the side of your plate. I really don't get that. I really don't get that. I really don't know what that shit means, so I'll just skip you. Alice. I I had that once. I had that one once. Fuck you. Val. Nope. Nia. Nope. Molly. Way. Sharon. And we see this Sig in the hand. Yeah. Wait, how tall is she? Okay, I'll just shoot my shit. My uniform. Mean wild. So the thing is, it's not completely unnecessary that I do that, because I will be in LA like next year though. But I will be in LA though. So I'm just making friends right now. Sticking on the left side. How'd you know? Oh no, nope. Bro, my bed is like like that. I don't even have a side to lay on. Fuck. Mm. If you go to the gym with me, nah, nah. I think that's the worst thing you could do with a girl to go to the gym. Bro, but she doesn't look like this so short. I mean, look at me. I mean, I think I could. Calabasas. Um, I'll need feedback, bro. I swear to God, I need feedback. I'm gonna do that next time on stream. Um, I but she doesn't look good in this picture though. But the other ones are alright, I guess. If you stop smoking, that bullshit. Yeah. Kathy is a little bit too big for me. Gia. Oh, thank you. Adia. Kind of. The fuck is that? To pronounce my name. Follow my. You're a hoe. 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 Ho ho ho. I don't like hoes. Like I really don't like hoes. I mean, hoes are like. First of all, they're way too friendly with you, and second of all, they're just like bad human beings. Nope. Lindsay, you're cooked, Lindsay. You're cooked. What do y'all think? How many of those people are like actually on that shit trying to date? I mean, you have to be down bad to do that shit. I hope that's not her. 19. Just where, just here to have fun. You're a hoe. Oh my god. Oh, trying to cut like them? Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good shots. Becca. Bro, if I see those texts, bro, like I can't do that. I can't. I'm not even built for like dating because I really don't like to talk to girls. Um, can we recruit? Can recreate that? We recreate. We can recreate. We can recreate. Re- recreate that picture. Yeah. Just the two of us. That's good. I think that's it. I think I can't like anymore.
Okay, hi guys. I shouldn't have to be doing this prompt because, it should be common sense, but like, it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna do it for you guys. Just so you guys know. So, my name is Madison. Hi. My name is Madison. My nickname is Mads. M-A-D. Maddie. Not Maddie.
That's really just like wasting your time, lifespan. I swear to God. But I think she's pretty. Mm, if I can't like that, I'll just like stop from here on. Being funnier than any person I've ever met. No, I won't. Nah, that's a bad shot. That's a bad shot. That's a bad shot. If you say, "Oh, there I am," I'm so funny. Please like me, please, please like me. I won't. I won't do that. That's so uncool. Not cool. I made a similar video with my niece. Yeah, I think I have to involve my niece with that. She's 12. No, how old is she? Yeah, she's 12. She's about to be 12 in a few months. Mm.
Hope you're doing well. I'm sorry.
Ah, cousin. I think we could link our cousins. They they would um they'd be they'd be good friends. I can't like anymore. Yeah, so I just cut it off right here. Okay, so in a half an hour, no one really like. That's the girl that liked me. I don't like English people. Bro, that one even that was a fat girl. She just like she blocked me or something. I don't know. That's not cool of her. Like I'm just a human being. Like after all, like you could answer me like I'm not that bad of a person. Like um, don't hate me if I don't answer it for some. I don't really like to talk. I don't really like to message people. Some people just say I'm corny for trying to be nonchalant, but I really just don't like to write. I'm not that type of person to be on the phone 24/7 for texting. If I'm on my phone, I just want to watch some TikTok, some reels. I don't know. Don't text me, bro. Please don't text me. If you want something, just call me. Fly to London and Rome and somewhere Spain. Somewhere in Spain. Yeah. I'm just throwing a cap around there. Right there. Cap. Yeah. I hate German. I hate German so much. That's funny. Like that's funny. If people don't get that, you're like you're a bot. I think I just have a wrong elo or something. So because those people in my elo just like they don't get it. All right. I think I cut here because that's just sad. If we're getting like 5 likes, I will boost first of all, and I will make a video, of course again. But I'm thinking about like doing subscribing that shit like for 18 euros. That would be like 20 dollars or something like that. I mean that's ridiculous, but I'm really down to pay that shit because I want to invest some money in my content. And I will buy myself a camera, but that's something different. But that I think that could still wait. All right, guys. It was fun. We're gonna see us. We're gonna see us. Peace.